You're eating all the beignets.
Uh-oh.
Who are you? What are you? That's our breakfast, bro. What are you doing?
I got busted, Greg and Bonnie. It's RV Cribs Cajun edition. All right, back to work. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Are you?
Let's get a tour of the rig.
All right, man. Go ahead, baby.
Did you call me babe?
Yes. So, kind of back to the front, you know, we got the TV. The couch actually has a slide here, and you can pull up another seat, you know, but we kind of keep it pushed in just so we got the room, you know. They put a convection microwave, you know, you stand in a little sink and everything. This is the feature that she had to have that I didn't want, but I do like it. It's a half bath.
You wanted the bucket.
No, I really just didn't really want that, but now that we got it.
Oh, the half bath. Okay, I thought you meant no bathroom at all.
Oh no, that's
okay. So that makes sense though. I mean, so think about it. Nobody has to come in and use your master
There's
bathroom.
no more. Are you through yet? All right, I got the word. Got your pantry. Then you got your refrigerator. It's a residential RV refrigerator. You come in, and this is one of the things I really like.
Open the closet.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we're gonna
Open up the
we're
closet.
gonna open the closet here.
Don't do it.
You got.
Oh, come on. It's beautifully clean.
Oh, yeah. You got two big closets here in the bedroom. That a lot of storage. I mean, this unit has a lot more storage than the other unit.
Tell me
has.
why I didn't expect anything less. I feel like this is the entire wardrobe. This might fit me, actually. We could be matching.
No. Quit playing with my clothes. So this is the bathroom. You got the shower here, and
Lots
your
of storage.
lavatory and all. And then behind here,
The most important
they
thing.
got the washer and dryer.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I feel like there's nothing that you're missing.
Not really. I mean, everything you need is here. You know.
And then even the bed, this bed completely pulls out.
Yes.
Right. It has to slide up for when you bring the slides in. So in the daytime, we'll slide it up just to give you that much more room
bit extra
for walking.
room.
In the night, we'll slide it back down. You know.
This might be very unprofessional of me, but is it cool if I use the bathroom real quick?
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right, thank you. Yes.
Hey, you through in there?
Hey, easy. That is it with RV Cribs. I don't think we need anything else.
Hey, dude.
See you guys.
Dude, that's my shirt. Come, dude, where you going with my shirt?